everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you have seen my previous videos, if not, my name is Shauna. I am a New York City based fashion model and a lover of makeup. Today, once again, I'm doing some makeup therapy. I really believe through my mental health journey that one of the biggest tools to improving your mental health is doing things that you love, doing things that are going to bring joy to your life, because I believe that changing your mental state is an active process. And I definitely believe in manifesting. I believe that what we think and what we feel puts into action what is going to come to our life. But also, again, it is an active process. And in order to get to the places that we want to be, to get to that happy place and to have the things that we want in our life, we have to take steps to show the universe that we are ready and that we are preparing ourselves for good things to come. So with that being said, today I am going to do a look with this. I've been wanting to use this Linda Hallberg Enchanted Mysteries palette. It's one of the quads. She releases these limited edition quads, and they all actually are satins or shimmers. Like these top two are more duochrome, and the camera's not picking up. This is like more shifty than it appears, and definitely the green is more shifty. But yeah, I want to show how you can do a bold, dramatic look without having to use a million colors like I normally do. So yeah, I'm going to play around with that, and then I already have my look picked out for the end, so definitely stay tuned for that. And yeah, let's just get into it. So first I'm going in with the shade Aura, and this is a golden satin shade. I would say it reads almost matte on the eye though, and I'm just placing this all over above the lid. Next, with a brush that's kind of between a fluffy and a flat brush, I am taking the shade Void, and this is a satin black. Again, it reads more matte, and I would say this is not a fully pigmented black, but that's actually nice because I just wanted a more smoky effect. And I am just taking this in the outer sections of the eye and kind of bringing it out and winging it a little. Next, on a flat brush, I am taking the shade Lacuna, and this is between a green and a black. It's a nice foiled shade, and it's definitely my favorite shade of the palette. Aura again, and just placing that below the eye with a smaller flat brush. And I'm also going in with the shade Void again and placing this on the outer corner below the eye, and bringing that up to meet the upper section. Now I'm going in with the final shade of the palette. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It's Serene, or maybe even Serene. It's Serein. And this is a shimmery white shade with a slight purple reflect. It honestly didn't show up nearly as intensely as I was expecting. I was a little disappointed in the shade. And now I am just curling my lashes. as usual, I'm going in with the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. I do want to try a new mascara at some point, but I just really, really love the formula of this mascara. And I decided to leave this in. I got some mascara on my eye. I just wanted to show that it's normal and human to make mistakes, and we just fix it and keep going. As usual, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker Bronzer in the shade Shady Biz and placing that all over. And now with my new favorite highlight from Double Down Cosmetics, I'm going in with the shade The Light. And this is a beautiful light shade with a green shift. And it's just so beautiful. When the light hits it, that green is, it's somehow a really flattering tone. It's not like this like gross green. It's really, really beautiful. Going in with the Milk Makeup Lip Color in Cream, and it's a nice pinky neutral color that isn't really that different from my lips. It's one of those better, your lips but better colors. And I actually picked this up at TJ Maxx and it was only $5.99, which is a great value because these are normally $24 at Sephora. On top of that, I am just taking the Double Down Cosmetics The Runaway Lip Gloss and just to add a little bit of shine. And this is the completed look. I feel like it's very sultry and definitely more high-end editorial as well. And yeah, I definitely enjoyed the palette. I would say, to be perfectly honest, it's a quite expensive palette. To me, really, the only shade that really stood out is the green shade, and that's like, I don't know if the camera's really picking it up properly, but it's this stunning shade. The others, I would say they're nice and they perform well, but you definitely can find similar shades. But yeah, I think honestly more than